Let's have a look at how to fold smaller panties. This will also apply for your thongs as well as your G-strings. Let's do the example on this very tiny pair of panties. For the small panties, we're going to split it into 6 parts. So, the first thing that we're going to do is that we're going to fold in both sides 1/6 of the way, like this. Then from here, we are going to fold them over one more time from each side. First once, and then the other side will overlap the first fold, like this. Next, we are going to take the top section here, fold it down about 1/3 of the way, like so. And then we are going to take the bottom of the panties, and then we're going to take and open up the very top layer of the fold of the panties here, and we're going to stuff the bottom inside it, like so. Feel free to adjust it with your fingers so that it holds together nicely. And then from here we can place it with other panties in the dresser. As you can see, this fold is slightly more flimsy than some of the other types of underwear, so I do recommend that you place these ones against the wall or against something more sturdy and stiff.